Welcome friend to our YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. Guys, today we are having a question and that is related to the percentage. So the question today we are having that is, a person paid 2% commission to the property dealer when he bought a land rupees 6 crore and 75 lakhs. What is the amount of commission he paid? So here we are having a person who bought a piece of land, but he also paid 2% commission from his 2% commission of his amount to the property dealer. So here the first thing which we have to take, that is, so we are having the total amount, that is, so total amount that is how much? So here we are having that is 6 crore 75 lakhs. So here we are having 5 zeros. So this is 6 crore 75 lakh. So you must have to keep the digits and zeros properly. So here the commission paid, that is, and the commission paid, that is 2%. So here we have to take the first thing, that is 2% of 6 crore and 75 lakhs. So here we are having, so therefore 2% of 6 crore and 75 lakhs. So here we have that is 2 divided by 100. So this is 2% of 6 crore and 75 lakhs. So here we cancel out 2 digits, and now we have that is how much? So 2 multiplied by 6 lakhs and 75,000. So here we have now got 6 lakhs 75,000. And now if we multiply it by 2, then we get the value, that is how much? So here we get that is 13 lakh and 50,000. So this is 13 lakh and 50,000. So this is the amount of commission. I hope till here you have understood, and this is our answer. So thank you very much.